Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. First of all, on behalf of the team at FOSSEE IIT Bombay, I would like to sincerely thank each one of you for the overwhelming response to the FOSSEE Open Source Hardware Hackathon 2026. We are truly excited to see such a large number of participants, both individuals and teams, coming forward with enthusiasm, creativity, and a strong interest in solving real world problems using open source hardware. Your participation itself shows that you are ready to innovate and build impactful solutions. Now, let me quickly remind you about the timeline. The hackathon begins on 16 February 2026 and it will conclude on 16 March 2026. All your project submission must be completed within this duration. Please do not wait until the last day. Plan your development, documentation, and testing carefully. Your project must fall under one of the following three themes: healthcare and assistive devices, energy and sustainability, smart campus or smart city. Please make sure your project clearly addresses a real world problem within your selected theme. The problem statement should be clear, relevant, and practical. Before we move to the Google Form submission process, I would strongly encourage all participants to make use of the learning resources provided by FOSSEE. If you need a strong foundation in Arduino, hardware interfacing, or project development, these resources will be extremely helpful. First, you can use the IIT Bombay Arduino on Cloud simulation platform through the following link shown on your screen. This platform allows you to simulate Arduino circuits online, write and test your code, and understand hardware connections virtually before implementing them physically. It is especially useful if you want to validate your logic or experiment with different configurations. Second, you can refer to the Arduino spoken tutorials through the following link shown on your screen. In addition to that, the spoken tutorial series also covers the basic of robotics and IoT projects. So, if your hackathon idea involves automation, connected devices, or smart systems, these tutorials will give you a solid conceptual foundation. They are well structured, beginner friendly, and designed in a way that helps you gradually build confidence while working on the hardware based projects. Third, you may also explore Arduino programming using Jupyter Notebook through the following link shown on your screen. This enables interactive coding and better documentation practices. It helps you structure experiment clearly and integrate programming in a more organized and modular manner. Now, I would like to emphasize something important here. This Jupyter Notebook environment also enables you to learn and experiment with machine learning and artificial intelligence on embedded systems. So, if your project involves smart decision making, predictive systems, data driven automation, or intelligent sensing, this platform gives you a strong foundation to explore AI and ML concepts directly on embedded hardware. This can significantly enhance the innovation level of your project. You can also download the required files and perform experiments using the official GitHub repository link provided on the platform. Please make sure you follow the instructions carefully while setting up and executing the experiments. Now, an important instruction. Please do not simply copy examples from the resources. These materials are provided strictly for learning and understanding purposes only. They are meant to help you grasp the concepts, understand working principles, and learn how a project is structured. Study how hardware and software are integrated. Observe how documentation is prepared. Understand how problems are analyzed and solved. Then apply those learnings to your own innovative idea. Your hackathon project should not be a repetition of a tutorial example. It should be something original, something that directly addresses and solves a real world problem in the community around you. Look at your surroundings, identify practical challenges, think about how open source hardware can create measurable impact. The objective is not just to build a prototype. The objective is to build a meaningful, well documented, technically sound solution that can genuinely contribute to the society. Now, let us move to the Google Form submission process. This form is your final project showcase. Please fill it carefully and completely. You are required to fill out this new Google form, which will be used for your final project submission. All the basic details that you provided during registration must be filled again in this form. Please ensure that the information entered is accurate and complete. At the end of the form, you are required to upload all submission materials in a single Google Drive folder, including project report, source code files, demo video. Once uploaded, share the Google Drive folder link in the form. Please ensure that the Google Drive folder access is set to anyone with the link. Submissions without a shared and accessible Google Drive link will not be considered for evaluation. This step is mandatory for successful submission of your project. Before you finally submit the form, please ensure your project is original. When sharing your Google Drive link, please set the access to anyone with the link can view. This ensures we can access your demo video and project report without any permission issues. All documents are properly uploaded. You have tested your system thoroughly and you are submitting before the deadline. This hackathon is not just about competition. It is about learning, it is about innovation, it is about contributing to the open source hardware solutions that can benefit society. We are genuinely excited to see the creativity and technical excellence that all of you bring to this event. All the very best to each one of you. Happy building. Thank you.